Hey, it's Reed from Emerald Lotus Divination, a website that shares free weekly tarot resources for you, and we are back at it again with another unboxing. I am so excited because we are sitting outside right now. It is such a beautiful day. The sun is out, the birds are out, but there's barely a breeze, so I thought it would be the perfect time to do an unboxing. It just feels so great to be outside and have this beautiful energy. The sun is shining on me right now. It feels so peaceful and magical, and it is the perfect setting to unbox the latest and newest, and maybe only, Oracle deck by the beautiful Moon and Cactus, Christina's beautiful deck, as you can tell by the title. So I purchased this deck as soon as I saw that she had it for sale. I love Christina. She's amazing. You need to follow her on Instagram if you aren't. And this is for sale on her Etsy, which I'll have linked below. So she included this beautiful thank you note that says thank you for your purchase, supporting her small business. And she also left me a little handwritten note at the bottom thanking me for her support. She is so sweet. I love her. We've been Instagram friends for a while now. And I'm so proud of her for releasing this deck. So it came beautifully packaged. It shipped really quickly. There's a thank you note here on the outside. And I haven't actually opened this at all, although I've really wanted to, of course. So we immediately see that it comes in this beautiful satin bag. And oh, it's wrapped so nicely. Oh, and she has included this little baggie as well. Let's take a look at what's inside here. Got some goodies. So we have a Moon and Cactus. Oh, this is a magnet. This is so cool. I love it. She also included her business card. Oh, this is so sweet. There's a sticker and also a pin. Very cool. Oh, this is so beautiful. So it is a 20 card deck and guidebook. Okay, so this is the guidebook. It's a accordion style fold out. The font is very, very small. For anyone that has a hard time reading, this would definitely be a challenge. But knowing Christina, I'm sure if you messaged her, she would probably send you a digital version of this if I had to guess. Okay, so when opening this deck, we see the back of the card here. We definitely get the solar oracle vibe from the back of the deck. It's really beautiful. And now let's take a look at these cards. The cardstock is, it's a little bit flimsy. It's not super, super high quality, but it's definitely nice and smooth and very easy to fan out and shuffle as well. And let's take a look at this artwork. Look at that. It's so amazing. Christina is such a talented artist. This is so beautiful. So we see the numbered cards on here so that it's easier to find each of the cards in the guidebook if you want a better description. But let's flip through these and take a look. Surrender and Purge. A very yogic vibe in these cards, hey? Relinquish Control. Her artwork is so unique. It's so beautiful. Embrace Sensuality. Sensuality. That's what I always want to say. I definitely get the vibe of the solar. Like, this is a very spring, summer feeling deck to me. I feel like this would be a really fun deck for daily draws, or if you were just starting out and wanted an easy deck with not too many cards, this one would be really cool. We have diversity in skin tones. I think it's going to be all women on the cards if I had to guess. We have lots of nudity as well, just showing like the female spirit and embracing power, which is awesome. I feel like for someone that did yoga, they would really appreciate these cards. This one's so beautiful. So they all have a really similar, like they're very cohesive in the cards design, but each unique. It's really cool. It flows so nicely. Oh, this one's actually quite different, as I just went and said that. This one's very cool. I feel like this one is so me with the lotuses. Also gives me like Aquarius vibes with the otherworldly energy. It's really cool. Queen of Cups vibe almost too. I just can't believe how perfect it is that I had the opportunity to unbox this in the sun today, because it just, I feel like, embodies everything that this deck had intended for. Solar Oracle, just beautiful deck. The artwork is just so beautiful. This is gonna look so great on my Instagram stories and just look so beautiful on my altar as a card of the day or intentional. My thoughts with this deck is I don't know how often I'm going to use it to actually do readings, but my intention for this one is to use these cards when I'm doing manifestations and rituals, as well as like just setting up my altar space. I feel like these cards would be so beautiful to kind of rotate through every day or every couple of days just to have different intention. I feel like that would be amazing. These just are so powerful, and I'm so excited to like have them on display because I think they're just too beautiful to have hidden. Absolutely amazing artwork. I really love this one. Now that we've gone through all the cards, I'm going to do what I've been doing lately, where I shuffle these up and pull one and then see what the guidebook has to say about it, just to give a little understanding on what the guidebook has to offer. So let's shuffle these up. They're so beautiful. Okay, let's see what message we have today. Express yourself. Very cool. Card number 15. So, oh, a bunny just popped up. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I need to show you guys. Look at that bunny. He came to say hi. Oh, what an angel. I can't remember if I mentioned this, but the number 15 Express Yourself card is related to the day of the week, Wednesday. So the messages are all related to Mercury, which rules Wednesday. This card specifically says there might be a miscommunication of some kind in your life. To remedy this, you may need to express yourself more clearly than others and give your undivided attention and consideration to those who also need to express themselves to you. Alternatively, this card could mean that your mind is racing with too many thoughts and you need to give it a break. Yes, absolutely. Consider limiting screen time and social media at this time. Put your mind at ease by surrounding yourself in nature. The crystal companion for this card is the carnelian, which boosts self-confidence and self-worth. It's really cool that by coincidence I wanted to use this deck like on my altar for specific days and rituals, and then only to see that she actually had days of the week. But what I didn't actually mention is that she also has the months as well. So like on the first of the month, or maybe a full moon, of that month, or a special day of that month, she suggests that you can put it on your altar or sacred space to help embody the energies of that month. Or doing the same thing for like the days of the week, like Wednesday. I just think that's so cool, and it's so funny that while looking through her deck without even having really looked at the guidebook, I already wanted to do that with her deck. That's just so beautiful and so cool. I definitely feel like the theme really carried through in her work, and it's just so beautiful and so unique. I am so excited to have this in my collection. I love this deck. I think it is so beautiful. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the artwork of this one, and go give Christina a follow or go purchase this deck if it interests you, to support a beautiful small creator. She is honestly the best, and I'm so happy to have this in my collection. It just has the best energy, and I thank you guys so much for being here on this beautiful sunny day, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye!